Hi, everyone. Welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and we are on lesson number 10. We're on our third panel, and we're working on shape I. So grab the materials you need for shape I, and let's stitch this together. Okay, so I've marked with my chalk a circle in the center of the stuffed circle, and I'm going to come in now with my silk and pearl, the lavenders, and a 24 chenille, and I'm going to do a series of tete de boeuf. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to bring my needle up just a little ways. That's for the fly portion, and this is where I'm going to do the head of the bull, going in to my chalk circle here. I'm going to do this all the way around. Okay, so now I'm going to do my double cast-ons in another color right at the base, coming in between each of the V's with my silk and pearl pond scum and a number 3 Milners. And I'm just going to do a tiny little cast-on right here. So that's 4 on either side, 8 total. Pull this through. It's just going to look like that. I think I'm going to do every other. I think every one is going to be too close. Make sure this isn't too tangled up, so I'm going to unwind it, and then I'm going to start my cast-ons, alternating hands so they don't twist on me. That's 4 on each side. Pull this through. Skip one and come to the next one. I'm going to continue all the way around. I'm using my shepherd's silk and an 18 chenille, and I'm going to go right into the center here and do tricky work. If it's hard to get your needle in, you can go in and at an angle, and that sometimes is easier. Okay. Okay, here's my turkey work, and I'm going to cut this down before I even brush it because I know it's bigger than I want. I'm going to cut it down even more because it's, as you can see, it's covering this whole area and I want it pretty short. I'm going to need to cut it even more. I changed my turkey work. This is the Silk and Pearl Sophie's Strawberry. The other one, I just didn't love it. I may cut this down a little bit more, but I'm going to leave it for now. And I added my little lavender French knots here. We have finished stitching Shape Eye, and we will be moving on to the next shape. Don't forget to hit that like button, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and tell me how you're doing. How's it going? I'd love to hear from you. Remember, there's no rush, there's no deadline. Everybody works at their own pace. These videos are here for you. They are not going anywhere. They are here for anyone who purchases this pattern. You can work at your own pace as you like. Until next time, here's to stitching together.